G'day! In this video, we will show you common methods of removing a roller blind from its brackets. It's usually a simple and easy process once you know the basics. Before removing the roller blind, make sure it has been rolled all the way so that it is easier to handle. A flathead screwdriver might be needed in some cases, so please keep one handy. There are generally two types of designs for how the chain winder attaches to its bracket: slot type attachment and hook type attachment, as shown in the diagrams. For the slot type attachment, there is a slot on the end of the chain winder that receives a tab on the bracket. On the other end of the blind is what we call the pin end. Rotating the swivel plate will cause the pin to retract. The rotation should be anti-clockwise when facing towards the tube. Once the pin retracts, the blind will come loose at this end. Make sure you are holding the blind when doing this so that it does not fall off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver if the swivel plate is difficult to reach with your fingers. Once the pin end has been released from its bracket, you can pull the blind away from the opposite bracket to remove it. For chain winders with a hook type attachment, there is one or more hooks that catches onto corresponding holes on the bracket. To remove the blind, first lift the chain winder side to unhook it from the bracket. Then push towards the opposite bracket. Sometimes a screwdriver might be needed to pry the chain winder away from the bracket. This will release the blind on the chain winder end. Then simply pull the blind away from the pin end bracket to remove it. In some instances, it might be easier to remove the blind starting from the pin end. Here, the pin is spring-loaded and can be retracted with the help of a flathead screwdriver. This will cause the blind to come loose on this side. Then, slightly lift the chain winder end to unhook it. Pull away from the bracket to remove the blind. Hope this video has helped you better understand how to remove your blind. If you still have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us at support@dendo.com.au for further assistance. Thanks for watching.